Hey, this is Chris. In this video I'm going to show how I sewed in my pages and finished the spine. It took a little bit of time, so I'm going to fast forward it. So stick by to the end and then I'll do a flip through of the journal so far. So keep watching. So I'm going to clean up the spine and then cut it right down the middle and spread this apart and put in another piece of cardboard like this. And then I'll make a hidden spine for the book itself. Okay, I've pressed this piece of cloth, which I cut to fit this piece of light cardstock, scored, and I picked out sunflowers because that's what I want to show the most on the spine. And then I will glue this on here, and then I will glue it on there, and we'll be almost done. Okay, I've finished with the basic book now. I've got the pages in. I've got the spine covered with the fabric that came with the kit. And so we'll do a little flip through. The original end pages are still in the book. I've added a calendar for next year, and I've penciled in my title. And I've started some ideas of what I want to use this journal for. And here's a place to keep some notes. And these are the original pages from the book. And this is a small to-do page. I added a glassine envelope to it. This is the packet of parsley seeds from 1993. I opened it up. I kept the seeds. I will try to plant them. And made a pocket out of the seed packet. And I also started planning what pages I would use for what. Because I found in my last garden journal that it was a little disorganized, and I like to be a little more organized. So I separated out. I already titled the pages that I want for each month. And what I usually do in my garden journal is I do a weekly summary. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. I'll do a weekly summary on those journaling pages. And then I can use the other pages for planning. Here's grids for planning my garden. And then I added a little bit of this scrapbooking paper right here to the edge of the page. And here's a stationery envelope from a sample, a printer's sample pack. That can be, I made that so it can tuck here, and it has a pocket right here. I can put notes in there or plant label. There's more grid paper for planning. More journaling pages. A nice big open grid for in the center of the signature for a main planting plot that I might want to do. More journaling pages. More planning pages. Another scrapbooking paper, fussy cut. And another pocket from stationery, and a logo sample from the printer. And then here is a sample of cardstock from the printer, and it's a tuck spot. And I put this folded piece of cardstock in the center between the two signatures. There's about a 1/4 inch space. I gave it a little 1/4 inch right here, and this will be the beginning of my next year. So this is where my calendar will go. I have another envelope. And then the last pages, and then the original end papers. So the next video I'm going to do, I'm going to be decorating it more. I'll be doing more fussy cutting on the journaling pages. If I can find one like this, and it makes the pages sturdier and pretty. And here's another one. I'll be doing some of that with the papers that came in my kit. And I'll be making some tags and embellishments. So come back for the next one and we'll have some fun decorating. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Have a great day crafting.